Welcome to ANIS Hub.
Hi guys, how are you? Stay home, stay safe. Come, I'm going somewhere. Can you guess?
Okay, you're going somewhere.
Yes.
Where? You're going to the kitchen.
Yeah.
Halwa.
Yes.
Wow, I like halwa. What halwa is this? Who is this?
Tilgawa.
Your grandma.
Yes.
Your grandma is making halwa.
Yes. It's like white pumpkin, sugar, cashew, grapes, ghee, and cardamom.
What halwa is this? What halwa is this, Anirudh? Can you guess?
No.
No.
Yes.
Ask your grandma.
What halwa is this?
Pumpkin halwa.
Pumpkin halwa.
Yes. Who is this?
Kollawa.
Okay. Your great grandmother.
Yes.
What's her name?
Kollawa.
Hi. Her name?
Saroja.
Saroja. Okay. Today is halwa special.
Yes.
Halwa.
Yes.
Okay. What Ava is adding now?
Sugar.
Hi. Is that sugar or ghee? That
I
is
don't
ghee.
know.
That is ghee.
That is ghee.
Yes. The halwa is going to be ready now.
Yes.
Anirudh, you are going to taste.
Yes.
Okay. Ava is doing something.
Yes.
She's frying something. What is that?
Cashew.
Cashew.
Yes.
Okay.
Come and take a look.
Okay. Now.
With the woods.
Okay. Halwa is almost ready.
Yes.
Okay, with full of nuts.
Yes. You want to stir?
Wow. It's looking very nice. So colorful.
And it's looking tasty.
Tasty.
Yes.
Wow. Ava's decorating.
I will
How is it, Anirudh?
Tasty.
Tasty.
You want to try?
Yes.
Yes. Surprise for you. Where are you?
Oh, what is this, Anirudh?
Alva.
Halwa?
Yes.
Who made it?
Alva.
Which halwa?
Tilagawa and Kollawa.
Oh, what is this made of?
Cashew. White pumpkin. Ghee. Grapes.
Okay, so have you tasted?
Yes.
How was it?
Nice.
Smells yummy.